The story of Robert Durst, U.S. millionaire imprisoned for murder cases. Millionaire U.S. real estate heir Robert Durst, who was the subject of the HBO documentary, The Jinx, was sentenced to prison after killing his best friend, Susan Berman, 20 years ago. On Friday, the 17th of September 2021, Robert Durst was found guilty of murdering Berman in 2000. To stop him from talking to police about the disappearance of Durst's wife. Launching the BBC on Saturday, the 18th of September 2021. The murder case of the U.S. millionaire in 2000 began to come to light through the 2015 HBO documentary, The Jinx. At the end of The Jinx, Durst is heard muttering to himself, "What did I do? Kill them all, of course." In 1982, Durst's first wife, Kathleen McCormick, disappeared and was never found. Hours before the final episode of The Jinx aired, authorities arrested Durst in New Orleans for the murder of Berman. Initially, the jury played a recording of Durst in The Jinx during the trial.